What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the tablet and mobile folding stand, expandable and adjustable, non-slip fit, perfect for tablets and smartphones, for iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy and most smartphones and tablets up to 10.1 inches horizontal or vertical views. Okay. Folding stand holds your tablet or phone during use, suitable for horizontal and vertical use, great for watching videos or displaying pictures. Foldable design easily slips into a pocket for portability. Universal holder fits almost any smartphone or tablet PC. It's made by Moments Brands. Okay, let's see what is this about. Pretty cool stuff. Let's open it. Okay, there you have it, guys. It's plastic. Cheap plastic. The top part is kind of like a smooth plastic. It's a different material than this one down here. Soft material on top, hard material on the bottom. So you can see, you can open it. Okay, let's try this on. Try my phone first. Open the side. It looks nice. Very nice. You can watch your movies right there. There you go. Let's see from the sides. Back. Let's try my tablet in a little bit. You can do this or this. Let's try my tablet. It's bigger. You can do sideways as well. It holds the tablet pretty good. Awesome. Awesome. There you guys have it. The folding stand. I got this at the 99-cent store for $1. There you go, guys. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe.